Purse of $15,000 to kick off the pick three, a six-pack. The Ron Gate. And they're off. So Nice. Flash of speed from out of the center. Best of the best. Left to her inside with I'm Not a Son of a Beach. And it's those three as they race into that opening turn. I'm Not a Son of a Beach is out for the early lead. Best of the best. Trying to tuck into second there in front of So Nice, who came away third. Punky, the Michigan Invader, races 5 lengths off the lead from fourth. Olive Oil is fifth. And Swinging Cammy is reserved early at the back of the pack as they race past that opening marker, 27-3. A sharp opening marker for I'm Not a Son of a Beach. And Lewayne Miller, who continue with a 2-length lead up the backstretch. Best of the best. Second best right now. In front of So Nice, who's still content to track in third. Punky is fourth. Olive Oil remains in fifth in front of Swinging Cammy, and now Pete Wren is on the move with So Nice, the 3-5 favorite. So Nice moves up to take control here just before the half. And So Nice takes him past that marker, 56-2. I'm Not a Son of a Beach. Races now from second. Best of the best is out off the cones in third as Punky continues to save ground. Swinging Cammy tracks second over cover, about 5 lengths off the lead. And Olive Oil continues to save ground with 3/8 of a mile to go. And So Nice, the one to reel in. She now kicks clear to a 3-length lead. I'm Not a Son of a Beach going to have to pick it up from second. Punky begins to stall in third with Best of the Best. Swinging Cammy moves 3 wide from the back of the pack, but they're past 3/4, 125. So Nice now kicks clear to a 5-length advantage. I'm Not a Son of a Beach trying to hang on to second. Swinging Cammy's up on the outside, but as they hit mid-stretch, So Nice is gone. So Nice sprints clear. I'm Not a Son of a Beach is all out second. Swinging Cammy up on the outside, but it's So Nice. So Nice dominates once again. Swinging Cammy was second best. I'm Not a Son of a Beach held third, 152-1, 27-1 on the end of it for So Nice.